So this tape is for anyone who complains of tightness or heaviness in the traps. This is a good way to take tension off the side of the shoulders. For this one, we're going to use the rigid tape, okay? Measuring it out. And all you're going to do is start above the trap, just like this, okay? And you're just going to give it a nice pull and pull it down at a diagonal, just like that, okay? And it should be pulling the trap backwards. Same thing on the other side. Starting on the traps, bringing it across and down, and you should form this nice triangle here. This will force the traps back, okay? If they don't feel like that's enough support, you can add another strip just across the middle, creating this diamond, and that's gonna take a load off the traps. How's that feel?